Yeah, hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. So can you go on mute? I'll start the session.
Okay.
Yeah, hi. Okay. Myself, Rajsekhar, I have 12 plus years of experience in IT industry. So I'm not only the trainer, I'm working as a real-time professional. So let me share my screen. So today we will concentrate on Android. So that is something related to this. Now, so first of all, like introduction of Android. So what we are going to discuss that our course we will discuss with Android version 14 because that is the latest version. So even though not only that on that Android 14, we will use some of the basic as well as advanced topics, which includes some of the AI tools also. So with that, we discuss entire this course. So okay, please can you go on mute? Some disturbances coming from your side.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is mean AI?
So AI is nothing but it's a artificial intelligence. So like while writing the code, how this AI will help us like using the artificial intelligence, how we can write
Okay,
this code that I'll explain in this course.
okay, sir.
So next. So here. So first of all, we will understand what is an Android. So simple in a 4 words, it will be the simple definition of Android. This is Android is an operating system.
Yes,
So then it is a open source. By using this, we can develop the apps, and finally, it is a Linux kernel. So Linux kernel
yes,
will run on the top of the Linux kernel. So simple definition: Android is an operating system. It is an open source. By using this, we can develop the apps. It will run always on the top of the Linux kernel. So this is the definition of the Android.
yes.
So first we'll understand each word in detail. So first of all, what is an operating system? So operating system is nothing but it is the middleware between hardware and the software. So if we think if we observe in our uh, desktop and laptops wise, there are many operating systems are available like Windows,
Yes, yes,
Linux, Mac. So there are many operating systems are available. So in
yes,
case if you observe here now, so in a mobile platform, so there are two operating systems. One is Android and other is the iOS. Only we have two operating systems.
yes.
Now we are going to discuss about the Android. And the next one is then open source. What is the meaning of open source? So open source is nothing but it is like freely available. What is freely?
Yes, yes,
So here the lot of things are freely available. It depends on a stakeholder wise, means user wise. Let us say if you are a end user, like means
yes,
you are using Android mobile, so you are the end user. So when you are an end user, you will get the free apps. So that is the one. Like if you are a next, if you are a developer, so if you are a
okay.
developer, you will get the development environment is free of cost. No need to pay anything for the development environment. Also, it has a huge community. You will get that community support as well. Like in that website, that is a developer.android.com. There you will get the entire the course related from scratch to till that deployment level. Everything should be available here. This. So next, that is like you are a device manufacturer. In case if you are a device manufacturer, there also like you will get the customizable operating system. See, if you
Sir,
are
I have, sir, hello,
yes,
hello.
yes,
Sir, I have a question. Sir, I saw your tutorial in a YouTube channel. But
Mm,
sir, you tell me Android app development and Kotlin with and AI. Okay, sir.
mm,
Yes, but you tell me, sir,
correct.
Android and development and Kotlin. I learned your course. After that, I learned the course. I get the job anywhere, any company.
Yes, definitely. See,
Okay,
you,
okay, sir.
yeah.
And sir, you tell me, and your course is online available evening time.
Not anytime. See, I have morning only morning one class, and evening we have two batches, only three, like so 8 to 9, 9 to 10. But currently those are in running. Those this is the starting batch, 7 a.m. only, 7 to 8.
Okay, okay. मतलब currently you will be running and 7 a.m. morning.
Yes, correct.
Okay, okay, sir. But sir, you tell me your this is your course and you learn me and resume make and interview questioning and project make how to make project and any questioning I you tell me learn.
Yes, yes. Just you can see, like I'll tell you what I am providing. In a few minutes, you will get in a clarity on that.
Sir.
Yeah.
But I saw your sir, I saw your YouTube channel. I Android app development and Kotlin.
Mm-hmm.
But sir, you tell me, sir, I will be your course 10,000 only, and but I get your course 10,000. But sir, I sure I get the job any company Android app development.
Yes, yes, definitely. If you see whatever
Okay,
the
okay.
whatever the
After
go
yes,
ahead.
after 45 days.
Yeah, whatever the examples I'm explaining. So
Yes.
and whatever the tasks I have giving. So if you practice those, definitely you will get a job.
Okay, okay, see. But sir, I am not available in morning time. But sir, I will be your get the course and you learn me online class. But sir, but definitely I am not available in morning time, and y- your video is available in YouTube, and you send me.
Yeah, see, this is the like after the course, after the class, you will get the recording of the session.
Okay, sir. But you recorded your video and you sent me my mobile and my YouTube channel.
Not YouTube. Like we will share in a Google Drive link, so that will be
Okay.
accessible for certain days. You can access from there.
Okay, okay, but मतलब I mean sir मतलब daily you send me video.
Yes, yes. Daily after the class, you will get in a video.
Okay, okay, sir. But sir, I have a problem, sir. I am not available in morning time. Then I say I request you, sir, evening time your next class
Yeah, next class will be in 10 to 15 days. It will start.
10 to 15 days after I start evening time.
Yes, yes.
10 to 15 days. Sir, yeah, evening time, sir, 7 a.m. Sorry, 7 p.m. sir, 6 p.m. 8 p.m.
8 p.m. 8 p.m.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. You experience, sir, your sir course.
Sorry.
Sir, explain your course, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Sir, sir, what is Android? But you tell me, sir, in Kotlin.
yeah. Android development we are discussing with Kotlin here.
Yes,
See,
yes, yes.
yeah. Next question. So I have a question for you. Why you are learning this course? So why you are learning this course?
Sir, I region, sir, I region sir. I region sir, and I become an Android development
Okay.
engineer, software engineer, sir.
Mm-hmm.
My hobby, sir. I became a software engineer, Android development, app development, and sir, Android development, anywhere, any person you use app development, and in India and other country, and very opportunity Android development. Then I region, sir. I learn Android app development with Kotlin, sir.
Okay, understood.
Okay, sir.
So here we have, apart from the job, there are other two benefits also here with this course. Okay, first one, once you learn properly, you will get a job. That is the first benefit. Apart from that, other benefit will be like you can create your own apps and you upload those apps in a Play Store, so that from there also you will get some benefit from that. From there you will get some money. Users are downloading the apps. So if you enable the ads, so from there also you will get some income from that. And the next is the freelancer. So like here we have opportunities, like lot of freelancer opportunities also. Freelancer means you can work apart from the job to develop the small applications. So there are that benefits that. So three benefits you will get in this course. So in extra, what are the other benefits here? Like you have a lot of career opportunities, and there is a huge demand, and salary also good salary, and you have, means once you practice that good skill set, and you can create your own apps, and you can create your own potential and good experience. So it is open source. Because of the open source, you can do unlimited in this, and it will be easily can understand the global reach. So now here in this course, what we are providing here, like see, during the course, what we are providing here means the first one, which is like here, we are providing that recording session of every day, whatever the class is happening. So that recording session and PDF material, like PDF will contains the theoretical as well as the programmatical sessions. Then source code, whatever the programs we are discussing in our class. So that code I'll upload in OneDrive. I'll give you that link every end of every class. I'll upload that into that code, so you will access that. And interview point of questions, whatever the interview point of questions, so that we will discuss in this. And
Okay, okay, sir.
I'll share some resume, so you can prepare on the resume. If you have any other questions on that resume, I'll give an update on that. Next will be the tasks. So we will discuss about the, like every day end of the session, I'll give you some of the tasks. So based on the tasks, if you practice that, you will get in. And the next, whenever we are discussing about the advanced topics, so there I create one sample project. So on the sample project, I'll include like many things, like around in between of the 10 to 50 different topics into a single project. So there we will get an full scope of that, how what is happening in that sample project, like how you have to go, that entire thing we will get. And the next is the, like I'll give whatever the examples and these things, how that real time scenarios will happen, so that will be. And if comes to the technology works, so here we are discussing the technologies, like this is the Kotlin, XML, and JSON. When we are discussing the web services, so by using the JSON, we will. And apart from that, here we are using the language called JSON. For designing, we will use an X. So this is the these are we use here. Next, content wise. So if it comes to the course content, so first we'll start with the introduction, history, then Android architecture, so setup of the Android environment. Then we'll create a first project. So on the first project, how and what are the things going on, so that we will discuss. Then next is the XML overview and how to create a design, so that we will discuss. On basic top of that, like basic user interface, like button, checkbox, spinner, drop downs, like many things, radio button. So all the UI related components, there we will discuss on that. Yes. After that, we'll create a forms like registration form, login form. So that kind of user UI we will discuss. Next, Android components. So there are some certain components, or 5 components are there, like activity, services, broadcast receiver, content provider, intent. So those we will discuss on that. So once you are aware of those, you can create the basic user basic applications. Then after that, advanced user interface, like drop down menu, list, grid, recycler view. So those kind of topics we'll discuss there. After that, telephone manager, like how to call, how to connect with the network. So that kind of things we'll discuss. Then Bluetooth, indents, dialogues, like alerting the user, calendar. So that kind of dialogues, web services. So this web services is one of the main and important, and that wholly as well as the retrofit, because these two are using an industry with different people are using different things. So those two things we'll discuss there. Next will be the fragments. So the fragments is nothing but reusability of the user interface, like to reduce the burden on app. So that we will discuss. That we will discuss. Then after that, local database, that is SQLite, and the room database, that we will discuss. Next, material design to attract the user. Advanced user interface, we'll discuss on that. Next, Firebase. So Firebase also have a lot of benefits, like app crashing, notification, database, data storage. So those things. Next will be Google Maps. We'll discuss about the Google Map. Next is the ads. We'll discuss and related how to add and how to upload the play apps into Play Store. So these are after that, some of the advanced things we'll discuss here. So that is the MVVM architecture, MVC architecture, Jetpack Compose, and runtime permissions. Next, Postman, like how to use the API check, and GitHub, coroutines, Compose, Flow, clean architecture, AI tools for the Android development. So these all are in these 45 days we are going to discuss. And in these 45 days here, like every day it is a 1 hour session. So on the 1 hour session, but initial 3 to like once until batch confirms, I'll take half an hour session. But once the batch has confirmed, so we'll go and we'll discuss on a 1 hour session day. So if you have any questions on this course content wise?
No, sir. I have not any questions. This course.
Okay, now you are interested to join in morning session or evening session?
Sir, I am testing new session, but I have sir problem. I have not sir money. Very crucial problem, sir. I request you, sir, by WhatsApp, but you not in any discuss. But sir, I have crucial money problem, sir. But I will we get sir new session. You will start 8 p.m. I will be ready, sir. I get the your course.
Okay, okay, then fine. We can once it is done, I'll update you then. You can join there. Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
okay, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.